Welcome to a journey through the world of spices, a journey that awakens the senses, connects cultures, and celebrates the beauty of flavor and healing. Today, we'll explore some of the most beloved spices across the globe, discovering how they enrich our food and nurture our bodies. Turmeric, the golden root of life. Bright and earthy, turmeric brings a warm color and gentle bitterness to curries, rice, and soups. Used for centuries in Indian and Asian cooking, it's more than a spice. It's medicine, supports joint health, reduces inflammation, and strengthens the immune system. Cinnamon, sweet, comforting, and deeply aromatic. Cinnamon lifts both sweet and savory dishes. It balances blood sugar, eases digestion, and fills our home with a cozy scent. Sprinkle it on oatmeal, stir it into tea, and blend it into a sauce. Ginger, fiery and healing. Used fresh or dried, it brings brightness and heat to stir fries, marinades, and stews. In the body, ginger aids digestion, relieves nausea, and boosts circulation. It's both a kitchen essential and a healing root that reminds us food can be medicine. From the Middle East comes cumin. With its deep smoky flavor, it gives life to curries, beans, meats, and vegetable dishes. Rich in iron and antioxidants, cumin supports metabolism and digestion. A small pinch can transform an ordinary meal into a flavorful feast. Coriander, known as the seed of the cilantro plant, its taste is gentle, citrusy, and slightly nutty. Coriander enhances soups, sauces, and stews, and it helps cleanse the body by supporting the liver and aiding digestion. Black pepper, called the king of spices. Black pepper awakens flavors and sharpens taste. Beyond its bite, it improves nutrient absorption and stimulates the digestive system. It's a reminder that sometimes a little heat brings life to everything. From the Mediterranean coast, we meet oregano, strong, herbal, and slightly bitter. Used in Italian and Greek cooking, it elevates pasta sauces, roasted meats, and salads. Oregano's essential oil fights bacteria and boosts immunity, making it a spice of both flavor and protection. Basil, the fragrant heart of the Mediterranean kitchens. Fresh basil adds sweetness and freshness to tomato dishes, soups, and salads. Contains antioxidants that calm inflammation and promote mental clarity. Cardamom, the elegant spice, enhances both savory curries and creamy desserts. Cardamom soothes digestion, freshens breath, and lifts the spirit with every breath of its aroma. Let's wander to Africa, where cloves are treasured for their strong, sweet, and spicy scent. Cloves flavor stews, rice, and even teas, adding depth and warmth. Their oil has antiseptic properties and supports dental and respiratory health. Nutmeg, the soul of sweetness. Grated into puddings, soups, and warm drinks, nutmeg adds gentle spice and comfort. It also calms nerves, supports sleep, and brings a soothing warmth to the body. From the coastlines of Europe, we find bay leaves. Simmered in soups, stews, and sauces, they add a background note of earthiness. Bay leaves aid digestion and help the body to detoxify naturally. Across the oceans, Paprika brings a rich flavor, a smoky one, used in stews, grilled meats, sauces, and offers a depth and beauty to the plate. Let's not forget chili powder, the spark of many cuisines. It adds intensity, color, and passion to dishes. Chili stimulates metabolism, clears sinuses, and lifts moods by releasing endorphins. Thyme, tiny leaves, mighty power. Used in soups, roasted meals, herbal teas, thyme brings a gentle aroma and clean flavor. It strengthens the respiratory system and also natural antibacterial effects. Rosemary, fragrant, woody, and bold. It pairs beautifully with roasted potatoes, chicken, and bread. Rosemary boosts memory and circulation, filling the kitchen with an invigorating scent of nature. From Asia, we meet star anise. With a star-shaped beauty and sweet licorice flavor, used in broths, desserts, and teas, it supports digestion, relieves bloating. Its aroma is quite reminder of balance and harmony. Fenugreek, an ancient seed with a subtle nutty flavor. It enriches curries, breads, and pickles. Fenugreek supports lactation in nursing mothers and helps regulate blood sugar. Truly a spice of nourishment. Curry powder, a beautiful blend of many spices, turmeric, coriander, cumin, and more. Each culture gives its own twist. Curry powder brings warmth, color, complexity to dishes while offering the combined healing of all its ingredients. And finally, vanilla, gentle, sweet, and universally loved. Extracted from the orchid pods, vanilla adds depth to desserts, drinks, and even savory sauces. Its aroma calms the mind, reduces stress, and wraps the senses in comfort. Every spice tells a story of soil, sunlight, and centuries of human care. They remind us that nature provides flavor and healing in one breath. So next time you cook, sprinkle some with intention. Let it spice not only season your meal, but also nurture your soul.